Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to install and use wallpapers in Wallpaper Engine, and let's get straight into the video. So once Wallpaper Engine is launched, all you have to do is just go over to Discover, and then from Discover you can go ahead and install all the wallpapers over here. Let's just go with something snow related. Let's just go with snow, and then you will see there are a bunch of wallpapers. Let's just use this one for example. All you want to do is go ahead and hit actually, let me see, 11440, I mean 1080. Okay, let's just use this one for example. Let's just go for subscribe, and all you do is hit subscribe. You can go ahead and go back. It should take like 1 or 2 seconds to load in, or if it doesn't load, just go back to installed and then look for it. Should be, yep, there we go. And then it is now, installed, and you're using it and you're good to go basically. And you can go back to your installed. I think you already have a certain amount like default. And then if you want to use a different one, you just click on that, and then you just hit OK, and that should save to that one now. And yeah, that is basically it. That is it for the video. That is how to install and use wallpapers in Wallpaper Engine. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.